Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? Wish you all a great Tuesday and hope you all had a great Monday as well. So, welcome once again to Ask Abhishekraj Daily Dossier. Let me gear you up with all that you need to know to make some money in today's trading session. So, let's quickly take a look on the fund flow and how indices were in yesterday's session. More or less, markets were positive. Only some of the indices like infrastructure, energy, PSU banks, they did not do much. Rest banking, financials, metals, and IT stocks were the outperformers in yesterday's sessions. Fund flow is kind of it's not exciting. I mean, foreign institutions have bought about 230 crores in cash market. On the other hand, in the future market, they have sold above 830 crores of stock futures and index future worth 50 crores. On the other hand, they have bought index options too. So now today we had open interest increasing on the put side. So looks like some smart money with the long positions was taking some hedging bets as well. Volatility even on a positive market spiked. It was positive by 7.4%. Rest overall market is not going up with that kind of volumes that happens into a good aggressive bull market. So this is like it could be a positive to sideways market going forward. So be precautious. And again, we have elections in the US in coming months. So it's the first month, it's the last month before the elections. So you need to keep a close look on the news flow and act accordingly. Keep your portfolios hedged and light. So now let's take a look on how Nifty and Banknifty look on the chart. Nifty, if you take a look, it has almost retraced over 80% of the nearest fall, the latest fall, the swing fall we had from 11 under 625 levels. It has retraced over 80%. So unless and until we are above 11,450 to 60 range, it should be positive. Rest in case it dips, your nearest your supports on the downside are 11,450 range, then we have 11,400 range followed by 11,320. Below 320 we would be negative. Rest on the upside, Nifty has its nearest resistance on 11,627. Rest we maintain a positive view with stop loss 11,450. On Bank Nifty, it again looks positive after a good positive day. We had a gravestone doji. Bank Nifty took resistance around the predicted levels, that's 22,800, and that's the trend line resistance as well. So in case from current price, it looks like market is positive. Bank Nifty has its nearest support in 22,200 followed by 22,000 range. Rest in case it falls, it won't be negative unless and until it closes below 21,800. On the upside, your nearest resistance would be 22,800 followed by 23,200. Maintain a positive view. RSI is around 50, so it could again be similar as Nifty, kind of positive to sideways market. So let's take a look on other indices and how you should be maintaining your position sectorially. Nifty had said you already have a long position going on, so you have a positive view. Rest stop loss should be for long positions. Nearest stop loss should be 11,440. Bank Nifty view sideways to positive. Buy above 22,400. Stop loss 22,250. Your targets or resistance could be 22,800, 23,200, and 24,000 levels. Metal index positive. Find long opportunities. IT index positive. It broke out above 20,200 that we had talked about in yesterday's session as well. So it broke out, so you can find the long opportunities. Nifty Pharma is positive. Find stock specific opportunity. Don't go by energy index. Pharma index is positive. I can buy any pharma stocks. Be very, very stock specific. Energy, it looks neutral. It looks like it's forming a base, so we may have a buying position in coming sometime, but for now no trade, wait and watch. Nifty Auto, sell below 7,900. Till then, no trade, no long, no short on current levels. In case index slips and sustains below 7,900, we may find some short opportunities. Now here are your stocks to trade. These all are long stock. In case we see any weakness in the markets, we would avoid unless and until we get a closing in Nifty below 11,300, 320 levels. So for now, we only would focus on the long positions. Rest for hedging purpose, in case somebody makes a future position, always keep an index put with you. to hedge your portfolio. So you can focus on stocks like HCLTECH with stop loss 1800, BIOCON stop loss 444, COLPAL stop loss 1435, EICHER Motors long stop loss 2130, HDFC buy above 1800, stop loss should be 1750. HDFC Bank is a buy, stop loss 1080. HINDALCO is a buy, stop loss 173. TATASTEEL long, stop loss 370. TCS long, stop loss 2550. So that would be all in today's trading session. In case you have any stock specific query, question, feel free to reach me, feel free to ask me. I will be more than happy to help you. So thank you so much for watching and listening. That would be all. Wish you a happy trading. Have a good day. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Abhishekraj signing off.